Welcome to Dialogue Lesson 27.
Peter answers the door. Sara and her friend Jeanne are on the doorstep. How are you, Sara, and how are you, Jeanne? Sara is an English language teacher and Jeanne teaches French. They teach in the same school. Did you bring the dessert?
I did. Here it is. Put it in the fridge and we can have a drink before eating.
They leave their things in the hall. They take the bottle of fizzy water and go to the kitchen.
What did you do this week, Sara?
I did the usual things.
You did your work then? Did it take a long time?
It did, thank you.
Jeanne, did you enjoy your week?
Yes, I did. I love London and Sara helps me such a lot with my English.
What did she teach?
We did the auxiliary verb do.
That's funny. Did you learn a lot? Is it easy?
What do you do is in the present and what did you do is in the past. I did, you did, he, she, it did, we did, you did, they did. It doesn't vary. It didn't take long to learn. Did it, Sara?
No, it didn't. You did very well. Didn't you?
Yes, I did. Thank you so much.